Welcome back to Raw Talk with T-Dog. Today we are talking about the ladies who use a toy when they are behind closed doors. Ladies, let me tell you something. Using a toy, I've heard from many women that it can be fun. But ladies, you need to understand and accept one thing. When you use a toy, understand that you are using a robot. You are with a robot. You see the toy that you're using? It is a man-made device. It has no feelings, no emotions. It's just trying to please you. There's no connection that you can get out of that. Yes, you are having fun. But at the same time, it is a man-made device. There's nothing that you can get out of that. You won't have any connection. You won't have a future. It's just for the time being. And when a lot of ladies use toys, when they actually get a man in their life, that man can't please that woman the way the toy has done because that device is man-made. So they use the toy and then it takes out the sensation out of their certain areas. So when a man actually, do certain things, there is no reaction from that woman because her body is so used to having a toy to do these things to her. Her body is so used to having a toy to literally do the job. So a man can't please her anymore. So if some of you ladies out there plan to spend the rest of your life with a toy, with a robot that is, then you can continue using that toy. But if you know for a fact that you want a man in your life, the best thing would be and to do is to stop using a toy. And if you haven't started using a toy yet, don't even think about it. Because when listen, everything is okay right now. Everything is great. Everything is fun. When all the games is done and one day you get up and you put that toy on a certain spot on your body and there's no more feeling in it, what are you going to do? Ask yourself that question. What are you going to do when you wake up and there's no feeling down there anymore? Because that toy, that robot that you're using, electrocuted the entire sensation out of your body. What are you gonna do? Best option is stop acting, ladies, like you can replace a man. Don't have a man in your life? Wait, right? Stay abstinent. Listen, me people, this is Raw Talk with T-Dog. Comment and let me know what you think. Like and share. Remember to subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.